Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. This question is to prove that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. More precisely, interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready to check the answer, press play. Let's consider triangle ABC. Now, to do this one, I'm going to draw a line through point B such that it is parallel to AC, like this. Now, let's say this is angle X. Now, this is parallel to this. So, obviously, if this is X, this is X. And the reason is that alternate angles are equal. Now, if this is Y, this is also Y for the same reason. Now, let's call this other angle is Z. Now, I can clearly see that the angles X and Y and Z, if I consider this one here, these three are angles on a straight line. So they should add up to 180 degrees. Now, you can also see this is X, this is X. So X, Y, and Z are actually the interior angles of this triangle. So we just proved that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can write the conclusion like this.